again, my awesomes. Welcome back to my channel. I am your host, Natalie J as usual, and if you are new, hi, hello there. Welcome to my awesome weirdness. I hope everyone are in good spirits today. Yes? Yes, you are? Alright, let's get it. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how I fulfill the installments of the 13x4 lace frontal unit. So, interested? Good, because I'm not sure what I will do if you aren't. So, let's get into it. So at this point, you have to make sure that your hair is clean, the ball cap method is applied, and all that good jazz, and then you can move on to the step. So we're good on those steps? Alright, you are fat. I did apply about 2 layers of the Got To Be under the lace and brought it to a full dry. I also carved up into a few sections. You can do how many sections you want. I did 3 because that is small enough for me. It really is up to you and your particular routine. I feel like parting it kind of makes it form and set better, but I guess that works for me, at least. And boom shakalaka. Oh, okay, I need to chill, like on 1000. But this is how it turned out. I cut the lace, as you guys know. I'm peculiar with the lace cutting. I did it off camera, and now for the cleanup. Here I'm using a wet wipe and some water. Yes, water, because water is your best friend when you are using Got To Be, okay? Remember that. No, seriously, remember. I mean, particularly people like to use alcohol. I stay away from that because I buy cheap laces and alcohol thin the laces out and it becomes, you know, it wears out over time and I want it to last a little longer than usual. So yeah. Now for the temptation of baby hair making, because child, listen, it's a working process. Everybody knows if you make baby hair, you gotta just keep playing with them until they work, okay? Just listen, just play, and then boom, you get like a work of art in the end. Hopefully. Taking a bite size of the Got To Be glue and I'm just going to place it on the inside between the hair and just kind of work from there with the baby hair. Some people like to use mousse, some people use different things. Because I have a primary source, which is water, I go in and just use it to my full advantage. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Like I said, it is a learning process. Oh, I don't know if you've seen my previous video, but this right here, this third baby hair making is where I went completely wrong and off the charts. And yes, that was a shameless plug. Go watch my last video. Yes, go watch it. It is lit. Well, at least I think so. You like it? Yeah. Because it showed about kind of waist in there because I didn't particularly put the lace, the hair, over the lace. I just kind of swipe it in the direction that the lace is going, which was not a good pointer. Don't do that. Don't do that. Okay? Don't. All right? Now, because my person has longer hairs on the side of my hair, like they go all the way past my ear, I like to do it in the lace also. So, and as you can see, for almost not really, sorta, I'm cool with it type baby hairs were born. Just pretty much take what you need, tuck the rest, and hope for the best. Here I did up curl it just to kind of give it body, but I'm gonna pull it back down to straighten it out. It's kind of like the reverse process. And this is the finished look. Yeah, baby hairs are laid. Sorta, yeah. It is not my proudest work, but in fact, it is good enough, and I did slay her. First time slaying a straight wig. Like, yo, who can talk to me right now? Yo, honestly, someone needs to stop me. Like, sis, stop, sit down, stop it. And as you can see, she's really on there, like no budgie wudgie or any of that. Sleek enough for me. And that pretty much about wraps everything up. Oh, and one more thing. Stay awesome. Thank you all so much for rocking it with me. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye! Hey, why not? Click that bell. Like, comment, and all that good jazz. Until next time.